we've come to our next recipe. Before that, I would like to introduce my guest, Mei Ling Ludi.
Hi.
Did I get it right?
That's
Mei Ling?
right, correct.
Miss Malaysia Universe.
Long time ago lah.
Yes, in the year 2000, right?
That's right, yes, adik-adik.
Welcome, Mei Ling. Our recipe for today would be Mee Mamak. You know Mee Mamak? All Malaysians go goo gaga over Mee Mamak.
Definitely,
correct?
yes, yes.
What we have to do is to combine all the sauces as the base sauce.
So basically, you are doing the sauce from scratch.
Yes.
Nothing is self-bought.
Yes.
Okay.
And here is tomato ketchup. There's chili sauce. There's black sauce and soy sauce. This is chili sauce.
And the amount, all that is all in the recipe book.
Yes. Light soy sauce.
This
and
is the thick
sweet soy sauce.
Oh, sweet soy sauce.
Just combine it.
Okay. So pour the oil.
Say about 1 cup.
About a cup.
Yes. We are using olive oil here. It's from Sime Darby oil.
Okay, so
Yes.
it's a minyak kelapa sawit.
Yes, it's palm oil.
Okay. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
Fry in the garlic.
So the garlic, you blend it? I mean,
Yes.
It's a very fine, huh?
Yes.
It's not only chopped.
Yes. Kita goreng biar sampai dia garing sikit. Next, we pour in the chili.
So that's the chili that you have made,
Yes, this is homemade
homemade chili.
chili.
But that one I can adjust to my liking,
Of
whether I want it
course,
more
of
spicy or less.
Yes. It's very easy, Mei Ling.
Really? Maybe
Yes.
it's easy for you.
No. It's as easy as how the mama does it.
Okay, I shall be very attentive now and see how you do it.
Yes. We now put it in the prawns. Give it a little time to get cooked, before we add in the vegetables.
So it is important, whatever step, which
Yes.
one goes in first.
Yes. The prawns has to release its flavors.
And all this stays on high heat, or you lower it after a while?
No, it's actually on high heat, but the moment you put in the prawns, the temperature falls, right? So we have to give it a little bit of time.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. All the potatoes. The chilies, the tofu. The tofu also being fried.
Fry first.
Okay.
So kacau sikit.
Kacau sikit.
Ada sayur lagi.
Ada lagi sayur.
So you go maximum
Yeah.
high.
Yeah. You see the mamak kan?
Ya, besar api.
And then they start ketung. I need to put this.
This is stock.
Yes.
So any kind of stock would work.
This is beef stock. You can use chicken stock. Up to you.
Okay.
Kita masukkan sayur sawi. Tunggu sampai dia layu sikit.
Layu, okay.
Wait until it wilts a bit. Kita masukkan mie.
Okay, there we go. Wih, banyak. Boleh?
Boleh.
Boleh masuk
Boleh.
Semua?
Boleh. Ini kita jual Mee Mamak.
Is there any special brand of mee that you prefer, or any type? You're okay with any type?
Mama will use this mee. Any yellow mee.
Any yellow mee lah.
Any yellow
Okay.
mee. Yeah. I'm cooking for 4 packets here. That means 4 times the recipe.
4 times the recipe. Okay.
Yes. Next, what you do is you push the meat to the side. Okay. Make some space.
Okay.
And start breaking in your eggs.
Okay, kacau-kacau lah.
Kacau the eggs. Let it be like 3/4 cook.
Masak a bit.
Yeah, masak a bit. This is what we call pendaram. The recipes you can find in the Johor palette.
Johor palette.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's page 42, viewers.
Oh wow, you know you know it by heart. But actually, you can eat this just like that with some chili dip, isn't it?
Yes,
Would be
yes.
just nice as well.
Yes, talking about chili dip, we have our own chili sauce recipe.
In the recipe book as well.
In the recipe
Okay.
book as well. Now, the tauge has to go in. I put in the tauge last because nanti kalau terlampau lama masak dia lembik. Jadi saya suka crisp.
Crunchy sikit.
Crunchy. Jadi kita makan pun sedap.
Now it's nice and dry at the bottom.
Yes.
Hear and see it.
Okay,
Yep. So for this,
half will do. So we need to
okay.
for decoration a bit.
And so presentable with the dish and the banana leaf.
Is very important for me. Presentation is very important. It definitely uplifts the recipe,
It's true.
right?
True, yes.
Okay, Mei Ling, our mee mama is done.
Jom makan.
Yeah. Does it look appetizing?
Very, very appetizing.
Okay.
And it smells deliciously
Okay,
good.
you've done a great job.
I've done a great job.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for teaching me
Yes.
how to make mee mamak.
Okay.
Auntie Adik,
Yes, and I hope you give it a try.
I will.
Yes, you can find the recipe in this Malaysian Culinary Heritage.
Okay, alright,
Yes,
alright.
it is a cookbook I say to die for. As a Malaysian, I think every one of you should own a
Must
copy.
get.
Yes,
Must get.
yes. Terima kasih banyak-banyak pada viewer. Harap nanti kita dapat jumpa di episod seterusnya. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Auntie
you,
Adik.
thank you.